I'm going to show you how to make this scrunchie. You're going to need some bulky yarn, an 8mm hook, a rubber band, and a tapestry needle. First, what you're going to do is you're going to pull up a loop, just like I am, and then you're going to chain 3. Next, what you'll do after you tighten it down, you're going to double crochet, and then you're going to go into this little area right there, and you're going to double crochet into that. So it's like one double crochet on top of another. Then you're going to just do one double crochet, and then you're going to repeat what you just did, doing a double crochet, and then another double crochet on top of that, going through that little area of the other stitch, and then you'll do one single double crochet. Do this all the way around till you come to the end. Once you're to the end, you're just going to keep on alternating between the one double crochet on top of the other one and then the single double crochet. And you're going to do it until you feel like your scrunchie is full enough. Then you will slip stitch into the top loop of the first stitch. And then you're going to pull up a loop, cut your yarn off, and then weave in the tail into the back side. But what you will have to do is you will either have to knot it or take some thread and sew the end in.